Hi everyone, welcome at the Social Trade Fair here on Flower Factor and also at the Royal Flora Holland Facebook page. We're going to create something nice. We're going to use beautiful hydrangea. These are indoor hydrangeas, very nice product. We're going to use a nice basket. I made it white, so it's going to be, I think, an interesting design. First off, we're going to start with placing the plants in the basket. It is tight, but we can put in 3 plants because I want to make a really full flower bouquet almost. Then I have this wood fiber and I'm carefully going in between and just covering it a little bit. There are some sticks in, we can get them out. The sticks are mainly for transportation. Of course, don't throw away the sticks. You can use them for another design or element that you want to do. Then we're going to use this material. And this is rotan. Very nice, very flexible. If you put it in water, it becomes even more flexible. And very simple. We're going to just slide it in. And then we could go in any direction. In between the plants, the flowers. Just making a nice movement all the way around. And the end part, we can just place it in again. Of course, be careful that you don't damage the flowers. We can go in between the stems, making sure that we have the movement that we want. Well, this already looks really cool, I think. Then we're going to add a nice detail, and I'm going to use this material. Normally, it's used in the kitchen. This is rice that's turned into little sheets, transparency, and if you hold it with the light, it can play with the shadows and the light that hits it. And what we're going to do is we're going to use hot glue and we're going to basically place it here and there inside and on top between the flowers. So when the details are on and you're totally happy about your design, then you can say you're finished. Really quick, but really a lot of impact just using the 3 plants, some details, some movements. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you got some inspiration from it. And of course, we always love to see your creations, in this case with the hydrangea. And see you next time.